Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Meks Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram. Today we are working on the week of the 27th through the 3rd. We are officially in October. This kit that we're using is called Pumpkin Spice and it is from, you guessed it, ThePlannerShack. I am going to quickly show you all your options of what you get in this beautiful fall feels kit. I absolutely love it, so I had to pick it up. If you want to see more details on this kit, check out my last video where I did an October kit haul, and I showed you a few goodies that I picked up. But we are going to get right into it and show you. I didn't really, sorry y'all, my brain, I'm scatterbrained today. Excuse me, this week has been crazy. But I wanted to show you the struggle of putting together my decorative dates when I have it, when I'm like in the process of putting it together. It's a trial and error, and it's always a do I like this here? Do I like this there? Will that look cute? I didn't want to cut that part out this time, but I didn't want to go through and show you guys fully what I do. And you see, like magic, it's completed. And I'm just adding my favorite icons from a kit that I got from Many Moments. And yeah, so it's pretty much done, but it's not always a I know what I'm gonna do type thing. I literally come up with how I'm gonna do my layering and like how I'm gonna lay down my deco in that moment. It's not something that I plan. So now I'm trying to figure out how I want to decorate my September, to show the month. That mandala, some people call it mandala, some people call it mandala. I don't know the correct way to call it. I know in the plannerverse we call it mandala. So there's so many different ways you can call it, but that is actually going to be in my shop. I had actually just finished that one and I was like, I want to use it, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about switching it back and changing it. I don't know. I might just leave it alone, but that's where that came from. And of course that September came from Many Moments kit. So right now I am laying down my boxes. I have them all cropped and ready to go, and now I'm just trying to figure out where I want them to go, and then I'm gonna make them fit in all perfectly and cute and stuff. I really love the way these boxes look. It just really makes me want to get into my decorative mode. So I'm in the process of going on Amazon and like looking for pillows to put in my living room and like some throw blankets. I have a few, but they always come up missing. We're like blanket hogs in my house. So everywhere where there's like a lounge chair or, you know, somewhere, I just want to have a blanket and a pumpkin with a pillow. I just want to do it. Look at her, y'all. She is fierce. She's like, okay, you talking all this pumpkin spice, where's my coffee? So true story, I've never actually had pumpkin spice coffee. Is that weird? As obsessed as I am with, I love pumpkins, I've never had the pumpkin spice coffee. I've never had pumpkin pie. It's not something that I go for. Like, I am a sweet potato pie girl. Listen, let me tell you. I wonder if they ever would come up with a sweet potato drink. That would probably be disgusting, but I would try it. But yeah, wait, I think I've tried, no, I've never tried it. I was gonna say, I think I've tried a cupcake that was pumpkin from my niece, but no, that was sweet. She made sweet potato cupcakes and they were so good. But yeah, I've never tried pumpkin anything, like, ever. So there's that. So let's get into Monday. Monday was when I recorded my voiceover for the collab I did with Plans with CSRT. We had so much fun doing that video, that collab, answering all of the questions on why we went digital. And we both gave some really good information. We found out some stuff about each other that we didn't know. It was really cool. I really enjoyed that. Thank you again, Rochelle, for doing that video with me. I truly appreciate it. Also, later on that night, I had so much laundry to do. Y'all, I think I had like 6 or 7 loads of laundry. And I hate folding laundry. I do. It's just not something that I enjoy, but I know that it has to be done. So yeah, I've gotten to the point where my daughter, she does her own laundry and she folds her own laundry. But she don't always put it away. But I can't really get mad at her because she don't put her laundry away, because I don't always put mine away. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta practice what I preach. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm working on it. Okay. But I did finally like get myself together, and I folded all that laundry that night, and it was like crazy. But I watched the Hallmark Channel while I was folding laundry, and it kind of helped the time pass by. But here, right now, I decided that I would go ahead and put the glitter headers on top of each box, and just so they would be in their place. On Tuesday, the 28th, was when our videos went live, and mine went live at 9 a.m. my time zone, and hers went live at 3 p.m. her time zone. So it was really cool, and we loved it. And I am using a computer icon from Ink and Pine. That was also one of the things that I talked about in my October haul video. I really love these icons. I don't know what's going on with her shop. If y'all know something, let me know. She hasn't really posted anything new lately. I kind of want to send her a message and be like, can you do this with iPads? Because for us iPad planner girls. But she hasn't been posting lately, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I will definitely be praying for her, hoping everything is okay and that she will come back soon, because I need those icons in my life. But anywho, love her shop. She has some amazing stuff in there. Y'all go check her out. And of course, y'all know that I will be adding my favorite icon elements from Mini Moments kit that I have not even used yet. It's coming up next week. Next week, I'll actually get to use the kit. I can't wait. I also planned out next week, I cropped next week's kit, and then I also cropped out a few other kits for the remainder of the month. And then on Wednesday, I cleaned my she cave and I cleaned my bedroom, got it all clean, and lit some fall candles. It was, yes, it was good. Here I'm using the hanging, oh my goodness, what are they called? Y'all. They're the hanging something. I just saw it. Oh well. It'll be linked down below. Y'all know me. But we had pizza for dinner because I was exhausted from all the cleaning, but I washed my blankets as well, and I wanted to highlight that. And I did a lot of laundry this week. Y'all, you're going to see a lot of that. This was a week of laundry. You would think that I haven't done laundry in forever, but it was like my kids just was like, this is dirty, this is dirty, that is dirty. It's like, oh my God. I also did my October budget, and I paid the bills that were due before the middle of the month. I started the prep work for my digital sticker haul this day, and I did a quick Walmart run before carpool. I was legit in and out of that Walmart in 10 minutes. It was a miracle. Later on that night, I did laundry for my son, and then I pulled out my husband's October planner. His are monthly, so he has to pull out another book each month. And then later on that night, to rest while I was eating my cheese pizza, I watched Taking a Shot at Love. It was a Hallmark movie. It was super cute. I'm not sure. I think it was an older movie. There it is right there. Taking a Shot at Love. I really love that movie. I'm a huge fan of the actress in that movie. Her and her husband do movies together all the time on Hallmark. So when I saw it, I was like, I want to watch this. So here I am on, I think this is Friday, or is this Thursday? Y'all, what day is it? It's Friday. Okay. Whoo, child. I was recording and editing. Oh, I was doing my voiceover, and I was doing it for the sticker haul that I did, and I believe I posted it that same day. And here I am just perfecting the boxes. And excuse me, later on that night I prepped my hair for wash day, and while I was doing that I watched a bunch of digital plan with me videos, and a ton of Procreate how-tos and all that stuff, because I am forever a student. You know, part of being a teacher is also continuing to be a student, and I love it. But yes, I am a natural for my hair, so it is some prep work. Like, I prepped my hair Friday night and I washed it on Saturday, and then I spent most of the day completing, like, curling my hair and all that stuff. So yeah, it was a lot of work, but you know, we got through it. Hallmark and YouTube help your girl get through it. Here for Saturday and Sunday, I am laying down my washi banner that I created in Silhouette. It's just easier for me to do it in Silhouette because I do take my kits and I pull out what I actually want, so I won't have a ton of files, and then I go ahead and crop from there. I have the business edition, so it's different for me. I can do a lot of extra things than people can with the designer or with the basic edition. So yeah. And then I told you guys already that I washed my hair on Saturday and I had a little me time. I actually got to give myself a pedicure, a manicure, a facial. Listen, I was living my best life, watching Hallmark and relaxing after I finished my hair. I lit a candle. You couldn't tell me nothing. My feet still feel amazing because that pedicure was awesome. I did a foot mask. If you guys have never done a foot mask, girl, get you a foot mask. I kept it on my feet for probably about 45 minutes. I don't think you're supposed to keep it on that long, but I think I'm going to start doing that from now on because my feet were so soft afterwards. Girl, I absolutely loved it. So I will be doing that again. I think I'm going to start doing a foot mask like every week. Like at least once a week, do like a foot mask. It's now a part of my self-care routine. So here, adding to my weekend washi banner, I added the weekend icon, and then I'm adding some deco to make this a little decorative. I didn't layer any, but I kind of spaced it out to where it looked really cute. I wanted to highlight the pumpkin spice coffee stuff because this is a pumpkin spice kit, so I did that there. And then on Sunday, I wanted to put in a reminder that there was no school on Monday, which is why this plan with me is late. Sorry. I also did a Bible journal spread, which will be coming. The video should be, hopefully I'll have it by Friday. If I don't, it'll be there on Monday or Tuesday. Hopefully. I'm trying to catch up, y'all, because I was all proud of myself. I was caught up in September and I'm like, I can't get behind. I gotta keep it up, you know what I'm saying? But we are coming to an end. I am just adding some little elements of perfection here and making it look all pretty, and I'm checking my time, and yeah, we're almost done. Bringing over the words from for my sidebar from last week's plan with me, because it's basically the same thing. I love, do you guys see how I did my bottom washi where I added the icons from Mini Moments Kit, Cozy Cafe, and I kind of layered it over my bottom washi as a, what do they call that? Like an overlay. So I went ahead and did that for my double box as well. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my God. I'm telling you, the kit that keeps on giving. It's amazing. Okay, guys, we're done. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love seeing your comments. I love it when you like my videos. So please, you see that little icon down there? Just click it, like the video, comment, let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, many blessings to each and every one of you. Okay, bye guys.